Hello, my name is Viet Mehta and I am going to talk through new IGA enhancement in Primer 19. Isogeometric analysis or IGA is an alternative to standard FEA. It lets you create LS-DYNA models directly from CAD without the need for meshing, which leads to higher accuracy in less time. For those who aren't aware, Primer already supports visualizing, H refinement, P refinement, sketching trimming loop for old IGA keyword, which is element shell nabs patch. In version 19, we have added IGA refine panel to extend this functionality for new star IGA keywords. We have also added support for contact check and creating connection for star IGA keyword. Visualize not grid. After reading a valid IGA model, go to IGA shell or IGA 2D nubs XYZ or IGA face XYZ. There you will find option to open refine panel. Select any of the existing IGA shell definition to open refine panel. Click on display node toggle button to view node grid. There are two basic techniques in IGA which permit to enlarge the space of basis function without changing the geometry. The first one is known as knot insertion or H refinement. There are two ways to add a knot value. In the first method, type a knot value in the text box. A blue blob will be drawn to show the location of new knot. After visually confirming the new knot, press Insert button to add the knot. In second method, enable Screen Pick Knot toggle button, which will allow you to pick a knot value from the screen by clicking on the blue line. Use left mouse click to pick a knot and selected knot value gets updated in the panel. Once you are happy with the selection, press Insert Knot value. You can also use right mouse click to select and insert a knot value in one go without pressing the insert button. You will also get feedback about how many new knots and coordinates are added in the panel. The second one is called degree elevation or P refinement. Changing the basis function degree will result in control points being added or removed. The degree can be updated by typing in the new value in PR or PS text box. For example, here I will change the degree for PR from 3 to 4 by typing in 4 in the text box. Similarly, to update the degree PS, enter 4 in the text box. Here also it gives feedback about how many new knots and coordinates it has added. You can also decrease the degree if required by typing lesser value in PR or PS field. Note that it is only possible to reduce the degree by one at a time, for example from 4 to 3. Sketching trimming loop. To view all the trimming loops, press Sketch All button in IGA 1D graph. If you want to view selected few trimming loop, press Sketch and select from the list. To view curve labels, tick Show Curve Labels. You can now see individual curve labels drawn on the screen. Contact check can also be performed for star IGA shell, as shown in this slide. You can also make connection with new star IGA shell, as shown here. We will continue to add new IGA enhancement in future. Please do not hesitate to get in touch for more information. Thank you for watching. We'll look forward to hear your feedback.